Good morning traders. Welcome back to the channel. In today's pre-market analysis, we will break down NIFTY's key support and resistance zones for tomorrow, understand the broader market sentiment, and prepare a clear trading roadmap. If you follow this video every day, you already know our SR zones and directional bias give us a massive edge during intraday trading. So let's begin. Quick recap, Nifty closed around 26,211, showing a mild positive bias but still staying inside a controlled range. Price took support near S1 and the blue demand zone, bounced slightly, but overall remained in a consolidation mood with sellers still active at higher levels. This consolidation is important because it sets up clear boundaries for tomorrow. Key levels for tomorrow, resistance zones for tomorrow. From the chart uploaded, these are your resistance levels. R1:26 मिनट 112, R2:26 मिनट 182, R3:26 मिनट 252, R4:26 मिनट 310, R5:26 मिनट 368, R6:26 मिनट 426. Interpretation: Price is currently trading just below R1. So the first battlefield tomorrow will be the zone between 26,050, 26,120. If Nifty sustains above this band, momentum buyers may attempt to push it towards R2 and R3. Support zones for tomorrow. Your support levels are S1 25,937, S2:25 मिनट 847, S3:25 मिनट 767, S4:25 मिनट 687, S5:25 मिनट 607, S6:25 मिनट 512. Interpretation: The yellow and blue zones visible in your chart represent immediate demand. The market reacted from those levels today, showing they are active supports. If Nifty slips below 25,990, 25,950, it can quickly move towards S1 and S2, and below that, selling pressure can accelerate. Tomorrow's expected market behavior based on current structure. Tomorrow's market outlook is bias, flat to positive with resistance overhead. Here's why. 1. Price closed at the midpoint of the range. Though, buyers defended the lower zone, proving demand around S1, S2. 3. But Nifty is still below R1, meaning fresh longs will only be confident above 26,120. Key scenarios to watch: gap up opening. If Nifty opens above 26,120 and sustains there. Target R2, R3. Momentum scalping would be safer. Avoid counter trend shots. Flat opening. If Nifty opens around 26,000, 26,060. Expect range movement. Play both sides with strict levels. Ideal zone for fade trades. Gap down opening. If Nifty opens below 25,950, weakness will dominate. Targets S1, S2. Avoid buying until a clear reversal candle appears. Intraday trade plan: bullish plan. Buy only if Nifty reclaims R1:26 मिनट 112. Safe targets 26,182, 26,252. SL just below 25,990. Bearish plan. Short only if Nifty breaks 25,950. Safe targets 25,937, 25,847. SL above 26,020. Important note: all major volatility will come in zones. 25,950, 26,120 tug of war zone. Above 26,120 bullish continuation. Below 25,950 bearish continuation. Final summary: to summarize tomorrow's pre-market analysis. Market bias, flat to mildly positive. Immediate resistance, 26,112. Immediate support, 25,950. Above 26,120 buyers take charge. Below 25,950 bears dominate. Trade cautiously around the first 15 minutes, let the levels confirm, and then take trades with clear SL and targets. If you enjoyed the analysis, hit like, subscribe, and share this with fellow traders.